Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to reset your network settings on your Samsung Galaxy phone if you're unable to connect to Wi-Fi or having network issues. So once you're done resetting, you will need to enter your Wi-Fi credentials back into your phone. So just keep that in mind before you proceed. And with that said, we are ready to begin. And we're going to start by swiping up on our home screen and select the settings gear icon. And then you want to scroll down and select the item that says System, and then scroll all the way to the bottom where it says Reset Options, and then select Reset Mobile Network Settings. This will reset all mobile network settings. Select Reset Settings. You cannot undo this action. Select Reset Settings once more. Give it a moment, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.